Fantastic. Superb triangle scribble thing. Turn sideways. My name. Intro. Hey there, Tapholes Beats, Nick Goonso here playing Sonic Boom Lincoln Smash. It's a brand new Cartoon Network game. Alright guys, let's get right into it. And it's Tetris.
Okay, ready? Let's go!
Oh, not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting this. At least I think it's Tetris. Alright, let's see. Space doesn't do anything. Crap. Oh. So I don't know if it's like a match 3 thing. Alright, I guess we'll just have to see. Okay, sure. So this game doesn't make any lick of sense. At least I don't think it does. Seriously, come on, it's Tetris, y'all. Okay. At least I think it's Tetris. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting. Okay. So, I mean, I guess I kind of get, like, what you're supposed to do. I guess. It looks like Sonic is almost full. Alive. Oh. Alright. Tails hasn't been filled up at all. Oh, okay. I still don't understand how this works. This is a weird game, y'all. Oh, oh, 2.
Okay, let's go.
5? 3 and 1. Did I win? Yeah, okay. I guess it's like advanced Tetris? I don't know. Oh, 4? That didn't do anything. Oh, I got rid of all the gears. Nice, now I'm on level 2. Alright, so I guess I'll just do this round, however long it is. Then I'll just stop. I hate that, like, they make you wait 2 weeks, and this is the best they can do. It's like, well, I know you guys been waiting for all these games, but here we go. You're welcome. It's like, no, man, I don't approve. I don't approve. Oh, what was I thinking? Oh, crap. I goofed up. Ah, dang it, I goofed up. I think it's really hard to figure out what's going on in this game. Whoops. Oh my god, no, come on. You still got some time left. Oh yes, that helps me big time. Which came out kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that helps me big time. crap. Whew. Ah, come on! Dang it, I keep on messing up by doing that. Hey, come on. Oh, I got to level 2. That's, I don't even really need to play again. I mean, that's it, guys. I mean, that's it. I mean, it just goes on forever. Thank you for watching this short episode, but don't trip or don't fret, you know?